नमस्ते मित्रों, केम छो मजामा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल रिद्धि नागदा। एंड आज मैं शॉक हो गई हूँ गाइस, शॉक। टुडे आई एम ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम मुंबई टू भुज एंड मैंने फर्स्ट क्लास कंपार्टमेंट में हूँ। और मैंने पहले फर्स्ट क्लास कंपार्टमेंट में आई हैव ट्रैवल्ड, ओके, मैंने पहले ट्रैवल किया है, बट व्हाट आई सॉ इज शॉकिंग। कम आई शो यू टू मेक यू श्योर। यस, दिस इज माई compartment, that is my grandmother, grandfather, that is our cabin. And now I'll show you shocking thing. When you come out the door, the normal western toilet, and this is the dream place. I mean, I have never seen this. Are you ready guys? Ta-da! This is a full-fledged shower area guys. There is overhead shower, there is hand shower, there is tap, there is geyser, there is hooks to hold your towel, a rod. Oops. Yes guys, there is a fucking shower in Indian Railway. This is so crazy. I am shocked and surprised. See guys, hand shower is actually working. There is water. So guys, I was traveling on the train Kutch Express from Mumbai to Bhuj, and this was on the engine side of end of the compartment. The other side had only 2 washrooms. I told you right, it's very shocking. Are you also equally shocked? Then guys, please share this video with everybody. Show what amazing things Indian Railway is doing. I am surprised and I hope you are also. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye, thank you.